How long does a Tesla car battery last? The lifespan of a Tesla car battery depends on several factors, such as usage, maintenance, and environmental conditions. Tesla car batteries are designed to last for many years and typically have a lifespan of 300,000 to 500,000 miles, or approximately 1,500 cycles. However, this can vary based on factors such as how frequently the battery is charged, the temperature it operates in, and the usage pattern of the car. It's worth noting that Tesla provides an 8-year or 120,000 to 150,000 mile warranty, depending on the model, on their battery packs. Moreover, the chart below breaks down the warranty you are guaranteed based on the model of your vehicle.